So as far as skiing goes, this is the best kit. So you just grab this essential piece of the kit from Insta360. A great piece of aluminum from them, worth every penny. And you just slap it on there, hit the record button, and you're good to go. Just need to make sure that the main camera is facing you, whatever way it gets to. And then you just hold it out here. And one of the only things you really need to do is what's nice about this ski pole is you can take it from your normal length, like mine's like 122 cm, and you can drop it on down all the way on bottom. Just because when you're skiing and you're going down a steep slope, if this is down all the way here at the regular level, you can start dragging your basket, and then you're getting a lot of vibration on the head of your Insta360, which is going to make your footage not look too good, especially in lower light. If it's snowing out, you got heavy snow, fog, or whatever, you're going to get a lot of vibration if you're sitting there scraping this on the snow. So it's kind of better to keep this arm hugged up a little bit, and then when you're going to turn, you kind of want to do like a punch, kind of going forward with this. And you can't see it in the video footage really, but you're doing a regular pull plant with your one arm, and then when you go to the next turn, you can just kind of stab the air with it. Be nice and smooth with your pull, and you're going to get some great footage. And this keeps us away from the back of the hill, so you don't get that pull dragging and get your dipping this camera down when it's extended out all the way. And what's great about this compared to the old GoPro is the GoPro, you're getting that one angle shot. So let's say you have it like on your chest, mountain helmet mount, wherever you're going to have it. You're getting that one single shot. So we're going down the hill, and you're going to get that one single shot. Or you're not going to get the shot if this isn't pointed where you want it to go. So you're either going to get the shot, not get the shot, but there's only one shot that you're going to get. So we're going to leave the GoPro right up there, right up here with the old F3 Nikon, the old film cameras. Keep it up there so it looks nice and pretty up on the shelf. And we take out the Insta360 to get the work done.